Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we will learn about TextBox and Button in Visual Studio. So it will be a quick and simple tutorial. So let's start first. We will create a new project. The Forms app, click Next. Now here we will name the project as Box Demo. Hit Enter to create the project. Now the project is created, so we will go to this toolbox and here we will search for TextBox. This one. We'll drag this. Now we will get a button as well. Now we will rename this text box. So first we will go here and name this name. We will also change the button. So I'll name this. Now we will change the text on this button. For that I will go down and here. I'll name this get. Now let me expand this button a bit. Now this is text box and this is button. If I run this right now, so you can see here a text box and a button. If I click on this button, nothing happens. So I'll close this and now I'll double click on this button to create a click event. Now its click event is created. So now I can get the text from that text box with this button click. So for that, I'll come here to this text box. If I refer to this text box, so I'll refer to it by this name text box. If I again go to this click event and here I'll show a message box. What? So, and now I'll get the text from the text box. So, what is the name of our text box? So, I already told you name text box is the name of our text box dot text. So, in this way, with this text method, we get the text from that text box. And I'll change this to string because message box show strings. So now, right now, if I run this and if I put something here, if I directly click this button, so you can see message box is showing, but it is showing nothing. Now, if I write something here, and now if I click on this get text button, so now you can see that text is retrieved from here and shown in this message box. So in this way, you can use button and text box and Visual Studio C#. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment.